TikTok is rolling out some new features to give their users some more control over the content that they see, at least on their For You page. So the first thing that we're going to be able to do now is we are going to be able to mark certain hashtags or words, and then those should be filtered out of our For You feed, which, is pretty cool because maybe you went down a rabbit hole of a bunch of, weird videos once, and then after that day you were like, well, I'm done with this now. I would like to move on, please. Oh, you're not letting me move on. Well, now you can just block them, which is great, and especially useful for something like food, for instance. Some people get grossed out by various things, and now you can just block those. So a pretty cool feature. Honestly, should have been implemented a long time ago, in my opinion. And then they are also giving us, well, the platform, I guess, two more features that are automated, so not something that we can personally control. So the first one is gonna be that videos are gonna start to be ranked on thematic maturity. Now this just had to come at some point as the platform ages and grows. Basically this is gonna help TikTok, stay safe and, well, protect their younger users, So videos are going to be ranked on some sort of a scale, it's going to be something like, for instance, movies and video games, just so that more mature content won't be shown to their younger users, because, that can be not great for the younger users and could also not be great for TikTok, legally speaking. So, and then the other one is that the app will attempt to identify videos that are okay one at a time, but might be a problem in bulk. So, something that might be a problem in bulk are dieting fads, who knows, like you might not know nutrition too well and you find some weird freaking diet with like some vanilla ice cream and tuna and an apple and nothing else in a day, and now you get a bunch of these videos and like success stories and stuff, and that could potentially be harmful, especially to younger users. Another one is depression related content. Obviously, if you watch a lot of like content that kind of bums you out, you might get bummed out, so that could be not great. Tech news, another one, very, very dangerous to watch in bulk. You don't want to overload your brain, because getting a new one of those can be a challenge at this point. So a nice set of a few features that TikTok is rolling out. I think they're all needed at this point. And yeah, I'm especially happy that they're giving us more control over what we see on our For You page, so great.